front, working together to unseat this very confused.
Mamima Wakwaba Ebra Ghana and 70 GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime you upload the videos, BT say we usabeti mi akabi. Now I share. It was for I say MPP for say no more mini business pa. Some say the way they are going about one or two things, I gradually some sense of any confidence back into the party structures juma. And yati asem de ne say abrantie mienu are more MPP more very very excellent communicators but or more different camps or MPP nimo. Baku Kwesi Kwarteng official spokesperson Kennedy Japan campaign no. Any Dennis Miracles Abuaji official communications Dr. Bawumia. Yati asem de and say and kabum aba. Yes, they have made peace. Some say understanding in say 31st January contest no a year internal election. A between MPP and outside. A year competition. And ye competition now. There is a need and there's an expectation say ye boom so that we can all together expose the NDC. And to say yes, see contest munte, we are going to wash our dirty lining outside there and they have drink akra. And as a penny for more who said an of social media especially because and na kese kwati aka we na Dennis abe reply na we aka we na we abe reply what no say dey nyina no as the same mistakes bra na e aban mu no repeat and one repeat e opposition mu enti say you see ebe trend so up to January before you talk about February before you start say year reconciliation yan share ya ebe too late. And the earlier the better. And I think say organizing this meeting early to have both of them, Dennis, any Kwesi Kwarteng to come out and speak openly, say there, Omaka boom, an internal election, the enemy, the battle is between MPP and NDC, and yet between MPP and any subcommittees of the MPP, a very good thing, pa where a comma and conform omu uye juma and I say omu social media no so. Say conform mudim winim aye peace there. And there is no need, and I said there is no room for while we were social media, while we are live on Facebook, YouTube, and now TikTok, and now Instagram, and now X. Say you will keep on to the hate, insult, the character defamation, the tribalistic comments, because in the end, one party. I'll leave you with the video from that encounter, and kindly remember to leave a comment so that anytime content of this nature uploaded, you'll be notified. Makramo.
How did the meeting go?
I think it went well. I mean, it's a very fruitful conversation. It's important that as a party we show a very united front. It's important that we stick together. I mean, whatever it is we are doing now is just an internal contest. The contest will be over in just about 6 months from now, and we would have to get out of this contest a very united front, working together to unseat this very confused, incompetent NDC. I've already told you that they are very disruptive interlude. We're on a path of, growth as a country, of course. And on that path, we encountered challenges. They took advantage of these challenges and then misled the entire country. And now we are struggling. The only way we can get them out is to stick together. And I think that it's important that for all of us as MPP members across the country, we recognize this. So yes, I do not support Kwesi's candidate and Kobe's candidate. But it doesn't mean that
You support this candidate.
I mean, he's the richest candidate in our party. He's richer than Kwesi's candidate.
No comment on that. we are focused on.
You're behaving exactly. But I think that ultimately we are going to stick together and unseat this NDC.
So it means they are not going to be throwing jabs at each other on social media anymore.
Oh, I mean, jabs surely not insult. jabs, not insult. I don't think that you need to insult another person to make a point. And I think that's very important. That all our followers should understand that it's a family contest, and you cannot be seen to be insulting each other. That I never subscribe to. I'm sure, and anybody that supports Dr. Ken+Bawumia or even listens to Miracles will know that you cannot indulge in insults and be part of us. I am known for being factual and nothing insult. And I think that we should all learn from that and move with that. We are going to win the elections, but it should be without insult. Nobody should engage in any form of insult going into this election.
Kwesi Kwarteng, are you going to speak to us as well?
So English, so let me do it.
Me tuning about the young country. Me tuning about the country at that time. To say, only Miracles, more fine.
Miracles. Oh, Miracles, they say, a brand penny. Na say no person of Makara Kakra. Was me chase many a day, but as in be anyhow. No credit, I do in the kind of for the first time. Miracles why dey bia mame a onu kwa onya we mekai sabre na bi sabre no MC na bi suma me ho na me yonko bia no ope teacher training college me go see ne so e ma otuka ekoi first school na ye ekropon ho na wo ye training college bi o no sabre ko ye nya admission subsequently no sa call ono otuka kwa another school me ho no frame me say oh we nya admission wa ha ndi oyo bi a me fan say based on how dia wo ye ma me no me wo ebu ye dey e ma na pa say me nwa pani and then if you move to me, but I'm meeting with you. We take up your and oh, then the problem behind it in the end. Say you say a funny affair and canon just about this really made and where they are, only one common enemy, and I use enemy in context. Say in terms of a political power 2 million. The enemy NDC and so. And yes, sir. Say yeah, nay, yes, she. Meaning, the reference a fiesta consensus. Opening your monabaso on the minister and leader way. Leader,
Leader.
Say one more team at champion more winning abaso. It may not be the exact and absolute solution, but at least a symbolic. Say, a funding in a. Say Dr. Brian Campo, say Dr. Bawumia Campo, say was Campo Camp. Yeah, guys can come on. The most important, yeah, guys can come on. The most important is that you
consider that argument. Says Capo.
Money on Monco. Yeah, grassroots to the dream. Now, yes, I said at the end of the day, no, you're very in be in a bit market hobble. Na a book or Yaba as one party get him up for G2. That's the most important thing. 2020, we can't afford to lose it. And yeah, can you send a very strong signal to the NDC? So I'm going to try because we are united more than ever. I mean, 2020.